Yes, yes. We were in a quite interesting situation since quite didn't know what will be the active city concept and the criteria for the concept. So working on from that basis, our discussion. I tried to summarize about our discussions and the topics or the questions we were facing while we were developing ideas for the award or awards. And perhaps the first one is, what's the aim of this award? Are we looking forward to produce some kind of change in the cities? If so, why should someone want to have it? What we can promise for them if we are trying to provide a change for something? What's the promise we can give it to our customers, so to call? And in relation to that, how we can identify the active cities or the symbols of the active city. Very philosophical issues, I would think. The other issue, what have become a reality on the other presentations also, is that these cities are located around the world geographically, smaller, bigger cities, different cultures, and so on. So, do these different settings affect the evaluation process or the criteria for the award? Criterion shouldn't be exclusive, so it would turn cities or municipalities away from it. They should be so around globally. Different kind of cities and so on are able to apply for it. So it cannot be made too hard to reach. And in relation to that, we spoke about, can they be locally evaluated? Mm-hmm. Can the criteria be based on nations' physical fitness goals, objectives, and so on? For that reason, we might need different type of awards, different level of awards, certifications, national awards, and so Jorma speaks about that more than after me, so I don't go there. Otherwise, I'm going to empty the bank. And are we measuring process or product, which has been discussed already earlier. So are we looking for a change or? The quick question, I guess, then is, what are the criteria for the award? Mm-hmm. How are they related to this AC concept? Jorma perhaps have some ideas for that. And how is the process implemented? Mm-hmm. From TAFISA side and also from the city side? What are the steps the city needs to take in order to apply for this? What kind of resources are needed in TAFISA? More levels of awards we have, more managerial, economical resources are needed. So in those terms, it needs to be, I guess, simplistic. And how do you apply for it? What kind of system we have? Is it internet-based or very practical things we need to think about? And what are the benefits? What is the benefits should be related to the aims of the award. What aims we have set. And we should measure the benefits gained in relation to those aims we have for this award. So along those lines, we had quite vivid discussion and some agreements or views, point of views, what we were able to build on will be presented by Jorma.
Okay. Great. Well, actually I would like to add here one important question. Who will meet this BFITs, you see? I mean this physically inactive people. Is it task of sport organization or a task of health organization. And you see, really, this is important philosophical question now. Well, then this aim of the award really, in principle, it ought to promote healthy lifestyle. However, you see, this award is just like Gareth said. So award is really demanding because it ought to be such an instrument which is needed. So, for example, what is the purpose of Liverpool if they are running for this award? Is this award for the organizing structure in the city, or so that they have good instrument when talking with politicians, or is this award instrument for ordinary Liverpool citizens? So actually, what is the purpose? But of course, it's to promote healthy lifestyle. So it's really demanding situation. So, and really just like Mikko said, so this active city concept had to be there when we start to build this instrument for our program. And then a question how we will use these existing documents like coming from WHO, and are we able to have our own global strategy, which actually, referring to yesterday's talks, we don't have that, which is growing from this field from the values of physically active organizations, from such organizations which are actually living this life already, and how they meet these visits. And then we were able to recognize, you see, 3 levels there, how we meet the need of having certain award, certain certificate, certain way to lift up, raise up. You see this active city concept, and I would like to put my work like that. So, firstly, we have this active city network from Tasmania, from island in Great Britain, and so on and so on. And I think this might be the starting point. And then we thought that one of the easiest way would be perhaps to establish, just like there is Sport City Warsaw, Sport City 2008. It would be Active City 2012. Just like Cultural City Turku. So it would be, for example, Veli-Matti Kallislahti, for example, 2012 Helsinki would be Active City of Europe. And we establish here a conference so that, and we prepare it well so that Helsinki is really active city. You have this strategy, and then we invite all these experts here. And that's the way how we start to talk about active city. And then when we go forward, we would be able to start with this certificate and active city award. However, you see, first this very loose network, then you see this some city which want to take this position and invite you see, and then we go forward. So something like that. So I don't know, according to this Liverpool people, it made sense, you see, and
did you, Jorma, did you discuss the question